Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Lotus technology. This was a stock analysis request from one of the followers, and I wanted to let you know that anyone can make these requests and I will most likely cover them, especially if there is an actionable trade setup to follow. Now unfortunately on this chart we have quite a bearish setup here, where I could argue that we may even be building an impulse to the downside where I have a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up. And this is a little bit debatable. I could say that this is a 1, 2, a third wave down, and now, I could be looking here at a fourth wave up and then continuation to the downside in a wave 5, and then even then we could afterwards still look for another 4 or 5 pattern. Could have overall very bearish implications, and in such a setup, I would be looking for resistance all the way up to the 50% retracement. And in that case, we seem to have nearly gotten there, but not quite, and we also got rejected already. Now, keep in mind, it is possible for this to extend higher, because I could argue that this may be developing as a diagonal structure to the downside. Now, even in that case, I would still be looking for another low, a new all-time low, but then, this correction could overall extend higher. And in that case, we may be looking for something to the upside, like an ABC pattern, where here we would have an A wave up, a B wave down, and then a C wave to complete the correction. Now, for the long time frame, I'm not bullish. I would really prefer to stay away from this personally. It's not the types of trades that I choose to enter. It's not the type of charts that I choose to trade, and generally that's what I recommend for everyone. It's just very risky. There is potential, but I don't feel like it's worth it. The reliability of this structure is heavily under question, at least on the long side. Now, if you really are interested, you can still be looking at, in my opinion, for maybe something here on the short term for the C wave to the upside. Could work out, especially since in this A wave up, I could even see a 5-wave structure that could make sense here, where here we would have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up, fourth wave down, and then a fifth wave to the upside. Now this would be within a leading diagonal structure. I tried counting this as an impulse, but we have way too many 1-2 setups for this to really be anything reliable in an impulse, because I could argue here is 1-2, 1-2, then another 1-2 here, a third wave up, then this would need to be a fourth wave to the sideways in a triangle, because we need a 5-wave structure in the subwaves in an impulse, and in that case this would be the fifth wave up. But as you notice, I am missing a couple of 4-5 patterns to consider this pattern full, in which case I would see this more likely to work out as a 1-2 in an ABC structure in the wave 1. So we are tracking a leading diagonal to the upside. So this is the 1-2, third up, fourth down, and then here a fifth wave up. That makes sense. That works for an AB pattern for us to track. And then we could be looking for support here for a wave 2 in the area between the $1.9 level all the way down to the $1.3 level. Now, this could turn into something more bullish. It could be the bottom of this chart, and we could be looking for new highs, and who knows, maybe even new all-time highs on the long time frame. I'm not ruling that out, but it is not a reliable chart in my opinion. And the only somewhat reliable aspect of it could be this C wave to follow to the upside. If it manages, however, to form a very strong push higher, and we manage to reach the 138.2% extension, an ideal target for a wave 3, we could maybe look for a fourth wave correction and then a fifth wave to follow, and after that we will have something that is indeed considerable for a real trade setup on the long time frame, where this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4th, and the fifth. We have a wave 1, we get a 3-wave correction in a wave 2. This could be a very interesting area to enter, but right now this is not the case. This is on the smaller time frame, and I would personally be very careful with any long positions on this chart. Now, in the shorter time frame, do we really have anything else? Well, honestly, not much. So far to the upside, I only see three waves, A, B, C, from this point, from this low. It's not even the all-time low. I mean, it's not even the bottom here, the local low. We did have a lower low here, but yeah, honestly, this correction could still extend, and who knows, there is still the realistic possibility that we already topped here in a correction in something like a wave 4. It does not have to be an extension, does not have to appear here. It just has somewhat of a chance. And for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.